woman thought she had done a great thing, modifying her mortgage so she could afford the payments.
So she was surprised when the payments started going up. It's why she called Help Me Howard with Patrick Fraser.
If you're feeling sorry for yourself right now, stop for a second and meet Elizabeth Rogers.
I was supposed to die. The spinal cord was so injured that I stopped breathing.
When we came over to Elizabeth's house, she was moving a bag of cement with her foot to get it in place to wet and mix, a project she started 4 months ago to extend her patio. It's surprising she's not asked anyone for help, especially after the condition her ex-husband left her in.
He stabbed me with a screwdriver, more than 33. They stopped counting.
Being stabbed 33 times in 1992 left Elizabeth paralyzed.
Then the doctors told my mom that I was going to be paralyzed from the neck down, that I will not move. And I told my mom, Mom, don't cry. Don't cry. It's not going to be true. It's not going to be true.
It was not true. Elizabeth has learned to walk again and worked as a secretary for 18 years, till her doctor recently told her it was aggravating her condition and she needed to stop. She did, and waited a few months for her disability to be approved.
I fell behind my mortgage, and that's the reason I started the modification.
In August, the modification was finalized, which would make her monthly mortgage payment $552, something she could afford. Then she went online to make her first payment and saw it had gone up $12 a month to $564.
August 3rd, they say something, and then 30 days later, they say something else. I mean, it's not fair.
Through determination, she overcame paralysis so she can find a way to pay the extra $12 a month. But she fears the increases in her mortgage modification will not stop.
$12 more, and then $12 more. By the end of the year, it's going to be 600 and something, 700 and something.
She's an incredibly determined lady.
Look at me now. I walk, I drive my car. I'm proud of what I have accomplished.
And she thought she accomplished a lot when she got the mortgage modification. But Howard, you've read the agreement. Can they raise her monthly payments right after the mortgage agreement is signed?
Elizabeth has a fixed-rate mortgage, so they cannot raise that. But it also includes what's called an escrow account to pay her insurance. And as that goes up, her monthly mortgage can legally go up as well.
Since Elizabeth is disabled, she does not have to pay property taxes, so she doesn't have to worry about that going up. We talked to her mortgage company. They told us her homeowner's insurance was going to go up next March, so they started the $12 monthly increases now to have that money in escrow to pay for it.
This country gave us opportunities.
By the time we were leaving, Elizabeth had extended her patio a little more.
So my back porch is going to be done sooner.
And the woman who finds inspiration to overcome everything has now found a new challenge: to wipe out the mortgage she modified by paying it off.
I only owe them $22,000. As soon as I get enough money, I will start paying those $22,000. And I will owe the title of my house.
Another great thing about doing Help Me Howard, we get to meet some remarkable people like Elizabeth. Now, if your mortgage has an escrow account to pay the taxes and insurance, by law, the bank can review it once a year and either raise it, lower it, or leave it the same. If you want to know if they follow the law or what your rights are, the links are on our website at WSVN.com under this Help Me Howard. Fear a problem is mortgaging your future? Want to mix up things to cement a solution? Contact us. We have an unlimited escrow account of energy and goodwill to help fix your problems. Boy, does that sound like a snake oil salesman. With this Help Me Howard, I'm Patrick Fraser, 7 News.